Quick setup portable blind. The ultra-compact blind with a quick setup is ideal for your run and gun turkey adventures. The compact folding Ameristep Throwdown Ground Blind sets up fast to keep you hidden from keen turkey eyes. Compact design. The patented hub design with an integrated stake system holds the throwdown to just one piece of gear to keep track of, and it easily stows in your turkey vest for quick access. The compact design folds up compactly for easy carrying. Great concealment tool. For such a compact blind, the Throwdown 3-panel blind has impressive concealment power, able to cover 2 hunters with extra camouflage from realistic 3D Leafy die cuts. Dimensions: 25×91W, wall height 27, weight 1.8 pounds. Easy to use and transport. The paneled hubs are really what push this blind to the head of the pack, by creating a compact footprint with a solid hold that won't fall down when moment of truth arrives. The integrated strap keeps blind closed for transport. Built to last. Made with high-quality, durable polyester material to withstand harsh weather. ZS3 fabric reduces noise and sheen. Integrated stakes secure this 3-panel blind against the wind for trustworthy concealment in any weather. Top reviews from the United States. Easy blind. Super easy to carry and set up little blind wall. Only thing, it was smaller than I had anticipated. I usually sit in a stool or chair. This doesn't work for that kind of setup. It is for sitting on floor level.